Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy mobile security with Lookout, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy mobile security with Lookout, begin by accessing the Lookout website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Select the option to set up mobile security. Choose your preferred deployment method based on your organization's needs. For a mass deployment, consider using a mobile device management solution. If using MDM, integrate Lookout with your existing software. Follow the prompts to configure the Lookout app for your MDM. Next, set the security policies tailored to your organization. Include parameters such as malware protection and web security settings. Once the policies are established, push the Lookout app to the designated devices. Instruct users to install any additional configurations if necessary. After deployment, monitor the dashboard for device check alerts for any potential security threats. Educate users about mobile security best practices. Provide resources for troubleshooting common issues. Regularly review and update security policies to adapt to new threats. Engage with Lookout support for advanced assistance when needed. After all these steps, ensure a feedback loop for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.